Hello, DirecTV, Dish Network, Comcast. Welcome to Nature's Peril Career and Customer Service. Thank you. Comcast, everybody, cell phone companies. Welcome. Now, cable companies. Thank you. Now, here we have YouTube Moisture Rich Shampoo for Nature's Peril. Then we have the Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Then we have the Cocoa Mango. Then we have the Rejuvenating Skin Polish. Then we have the Skin Renewal Skin. The Nature's Peril Health Supplement. Then we have the Ultra Rich Lotion. We also have Liblu. If you get tired of drinking that nasty, disgusting water, we have that. So, if you like career customer service by dialing 443-694-9220 or Davion4@gmail.com. Now, thank you for watching DirecTV, Dish Network, Verizon, Comcast, Broad Stripe, everybody. Thank you. AT&T, Boost. Thank you.